Understanding Watershed Policy, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English. We'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, watershed policy. This is a phrase that often pops up in political and social discussions. So, if you're keen on understanding more about English in real-world contexts, you're in the right place. The word, watershed, originally refers to an area of land that separates waters flowing to different rivers, basins, or seas. However, in a metaphorical sense, it's used to describe a significant turning point or a moment of great change. This can be in the context of personal life, history, or in our case, policy. Now, let's break down the word, policy. A policy is a course of action, adopted and pursued by a government, organization, individual, etc. It's basically a plan or a set of rules that guides decisions and actions. When it comes to a country or a company, policies are the backbone of their functioning. Combining these concepts, a watershed policy refers to a policy that marks a significant change in the way things are done. It's not just any policy, but one that leads to major shifts in approach or perspective. For example, the introduction of the Internet privacy laws was a watershed policy, as it changed how personal data is handled globally. Let's consider some real-life examples. Environmental protection. The introduction of a policy to ban single-use plastics can be a watershed policy, radically changing the approach to environmental conservation. Education reform. Implementing a new education system focusing more on practical skills than theoretical knowledge could be seen as a watershed policy. And that's a wrap on watershed policy. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and its usage in English. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the context in which they are used. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Keep learning and exploring.